In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to a Brevo email, and we'll do it in just about 5 minutes. Getting links set up in your Brevo email is essential for creating engaging and interactive emails that encourage your readers to take action. Whether it's guiding them towards more information, connecting with you directly, or making a purchase, a well-placed link can make all the difference. So, let's dive into the process step by step. The first thing we'll do is open a new tab in your web browser and search for Brevo. Once you see the search results, click on the first link that appears. This will direct you to the Brevo homepage. If you've already created an account there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you haven't, you'll need to sign up and follow the prompts to create an account, but for this demonstration, we will assume you've already set yours up. Once you're logged in, focus your attention on the left sidebar of the page. Under the Marketing section, click on Campaign. This will allow you to either select from an existing email campaign you've been working on or create a new one. The choice is yours, depending on what you're looking to do today. Now, the key part is bringing your email content to life, and for that, you'll need to access the email template editor. In your Brevo email template or campaign, you should see an option to drag a button block into your email design area. This will help you insert a clickable element that readers can interact with, which is crucial for directing them to external sites or initiating email correspondence. Once you've dragged the button into place, the next step is to double-click on it. A pop-up window should appear, giving you several customization options. Look for the drop-down menu and select Email To. This setting ensures that your button, once clicked by a recipient, prompts an email action. When you select Email To, it's time to add the most important part, the email address. Type in the email address where you wish recipients to reach out. It's as simple as that. After entering the email address, you'll want to fill in details such as the email subject and body. This enables your recipients to know what the email is about even before contacting you, which can significantly improve engagement rates. The subject and body can include essential information or a call to action. Now, before you exit, remember to save your work. Click on Save and Quit to ensure all your changes are saved. That's it. Your Brevo email now includes an interactive link that turns your static content into a dynamic, engaging experience for your audience. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.